Lately, we have been hearing about this 0% interest rate. Fed has cut down the interest rate to zero. So what does this mean to you and to me? Does this mean your and my credit card will go away and we don't have to pay for it? Or we don't have to pay our mortgage and then we're just free? It does not mean like that. Though in some cases, some of the student loan interest has been waived. So that's the one good news that works. If you have a student loan, I don't have it. So what does it mean to you and me? And basically, what does it mean by having interest rate to zero? A lot of people have a lot of cash and they are hoarding on it. Newsflash, people are not only hoarding into toilet papers, people are hoarding into cash as well. Welcome back to the Samuna Casey Show. My name is Samuna Casey and this is a channel for you to help you to develop your personal brand. If you are an actor or entrepreneur trying to build your personal brand, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because we post videos every week to help you build your brand and business. If you know me and you've been browsing around www.samunakasey.com, then you know that I'm obsessed about 4 topics: philosophy, personal branding, finances, and relationship. Because these are the 4 things that builds our personality, builds our personal brand. And then we try to shuffle our videos on this channel based on these 4 topics. And today we're going to talk about this financial effect that COVID-19 has affected on us, also the financial crash. I don't want to turn into this new channel where I talk about every trending topic in the world, but then if that topic affects your brand, and my business and your business, then it's our business to talk about it. In this video, I talked about how money talks. And I love talking about money, I love making money, and I love helping you to make money and to be in this journey together. On the one hand, people are sitting on their cash. On the other hand, even if people have money and they want to spend it, they cannot go out and make any purchase. So that's why economy is slowing, almost stopping, and that's why they are panicking. Because economy is not about, a country's economy is not about how much money they have, it's about how fast your money moves. And to make that move, Fed cuts the interest rate lower and lower. You may feel like there's 0% interest rate. We don't lose any money, we don't gain any money. But because of the inflation, the price of the goods go up and your money stays the same. And after a few years, you won't be able to find the same $2 candies for $2 that you have today. That's how your money loses its value if you have 0% interest rate. And that's why Fed expects people who are sitting on the cash to come out and then put that money into the market. And what we are noticing this time is it's not happening. People are not putting back their money into the market. Maybe it's because of fear, or maybe they don't even care because the rates were always low. It was 1% and it turned into 0%. They don't even care. And even the 0% interest rate is new to the US, but it's not new to the countries like Germany and Japan. They are already practicing it. And a lot of other countries, they are practicing negative interest rate. The government is panicking and coming out with bailouts and universal basic income system. What happened in it is like government will give you money. Not just come into your house and give it. They will have some ways to give that money to you through bailout and universal basic income. They will give that money to you, but then is that money for free? It's not. You'll have to pay it back. How? Through your income taxes. When the economy goes down, people with cash, they don't want to spend cash, government will give you some debt, you and I will spend that money on some stuff, and then we run out of that money, and again this cycle starts again. And then government is keep stacking debt over debt. And who pays that debt back? You and me with the taxpayers' money. That's why taxes are going up and up every year. So it's this vicious cycle. So how to get out of this circle? Is there any end to it? It's a big question, even though a lot of economics are asking it. Remember the old time, like way ago, when money was real, money was backed by gold, or even before that, when people have not discovered any money. how they used to do the transaction. For example, I used to grow rice and you used to, in the past time, I used to grow rice and you used to make pot. And I would exchange my rice, which has real value, to your pot, which also had a real value. I'm not sure if we want to go all the way back to the barter system, but then we can definitely start creating real value for you, for me, in our businesses. We can take loans for less than 1% or 2% and then create a business out of it, and then that business will create, if everything goes right, that business will create 10% of values every year. Let's say you take a loan for 2%, because this is a great time to do that. You can take a loan from the bank and then invest in your business. Interest is 2% and your growth is 10%. So your difference is positive 8%. So you can grow by 8% every year. That's why people say recession is the great time to start a business. And if you want to know more about negative interest rate and how government is trying to solve this problem through bailout and universal basic income, then you want to let me know in the comment section and I'll make the part 2 of this video. That's why you want to like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified every time we come up with new videos. One more thing we can do is get educated, learn about finances. The whole system works that they will create a business, you go work with them, they take out your tax, they take out your retirement fund, and then eventually you'll get a small amount of money. So to get out of that rat race, as Robert Kiyosaki would like to say, you'll have to create your own value, create your own business, and then create your value of yourself, basically your personal brand in the market. Let's have further conversation on social media on this topic. If this was too complicated for you, it is very complicated for me too, because I am not anyway a financial expert. This is the result of my few years of self-study and my keen interest on finances and money. All the videos and books that I have studied to create this video is available in the description. You can check it out. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you next week with more videos to help you build your brand and business. Until then, you take care of yourself. Bye!